Why do I do that? Bizan deteriorates and breaks down agar. It will do that for you. So it kind of helps clean all of their media off of the plants. At the same time, it's a biocide, fungicide, and a viricide. So it cleans it. Now we're going to let it sit there for just a moment, not too terribly long. All right. Because all we're doing is just trying to get that crud off. Now I've got a clump here, a big clump, and I'm not sure if it's stuck together with the gel or if it is just grown together in the bag where it needs to be separated. But we'll find that out in just a moment. All right. I'm going to start setting these out onto my workstation. Before I do that, I'm going to grab my 70% alcohol. I'm going to spray this stuff down just to make sure that there's nothing else that's going to get anything. I'm going to start pulling these guys out to see what we're working with. There's one. So if you happen to buy TCs, alright, there's that big wad. We're going to have to work with that. It looks like it's still just come right straight out of multiplication from the lab. And I don't see anything extra floating around. That's good. At this point, I'm going to put these into the sterilizer, pull out my next set of forceps. Actually, I'm probably going to need both sets, to tell you the truth. Both sets of forceps right here. Because we've got this massive material that we need to go through. We need to see what's here. It does look like, yeah, looks like they've kind of grown together right straight out of multiplication. So we are going to tear it apart ourselves. We're just going to grab a mass and pull it apart. Now let's take a good look at that. That looks like it's one plant, but it's not. It's multiple plantlets growing together right there. You just have to find where you can pull it apart and where you can't without damaging it. Alright. Take a good look at that. Sometimes it's hard to see. Like this one's got roots right here. And see, I can subdivide that. Matter of fact, we are going to subdivide that. That's exactly what we're going to do. Okay. In order to do that, I'm going to pull out my scissors. I'm going to cool them off in the alcohol solution. There we are. And cut right in the center.